What if there was a systematic, scientific approach to starting and managing startups? Welcome to The Lean Startup, a revolutionary book by Eric Ries that offers entrepreneurs and managers a way to test their vision, adjust, and adapt before it's too late. Chapter 1, Start, introduces us to the concept of the lean startup. It's a fresh approach to business that encourages companies to be more innovative, efficient, and leverage human creativity more effectively. It emphasizes on learning what your customers really want and test your vision continuously. In the second chapter, Define, Ries explains the definition of a startup, and it's not just for companies in garages or dorm rooms. It applies to any organization dedicated to creating something new under conditions of extreme uncertainty. This could be a big corporation or even a government agency. In Chapter 3, Learn, we get to the heart of the lean startup method. It's all about validated learning. This is a rigorous method for demonstrating progress when one is embedded in the soil of extreme uncertainty. It's not about vanity metrics, it's about pivotal and actionable metrics. The fourth chapter, Experiment, delves into how to build a minimum viable product or MVP. This is a product with just enough features to satisfy early customers and provide feedback for future product development. In Chapter 5, Leap, Ries explains the concept of the build, measure, learn feedback loop. This is a process of building a product, measuring its effectiveness in the market, learning from this, and deciding whether to pivot or persevere. Chapter 6, Test, is all about innovation accounting. This is a way of evaluating a startup's progress, deciding whether to pivot or persevere, and helping startups to make decisions based on data rather than intuition. In the seventh chapter, Measure, Ries shows us how to use the 3 A's of metrics: actionable, accessible, and auditable, to measure progress scientifically and make informed decisions. Chapter 8, Pivot or Persevere, delves into the decision to continue down a path or to pivot. This chapter shows us how successful startups change directions but stay grounded in what they've learned. In the final chapter, Batch, Ries introduces the concept of small batches. He argues that working in small batches ensures that a startup can minimize the expenditure of resources and time on something that isn't working. In summary, the lean startup provides a scientific approach to creating and managing startups and get the desired product to customers' hands faster. It's about learning what your customers really want, testing your vision, measuring progress scientifically, deciding whether to pivot or persevere, and working in small batches. This book is a must-read for entrepreneurs and managers who want to bring a new product or service into the world.